Bonjour et bienvenue à Anglais Fragman. Welcome to Anglais Fragman. This is the segment Ask the Teacher. This is for intermediate students, ceci pour des élèves de niveau intermédiaire, une petite capsule pour vous aider à améliorer votre anglais. Let's have a look at what I did on the board. Okay, so here today we're comparing three verb tenses. The simple past, the present perfect, and the present perfect continuous. Many of my students have difficulty, the francophone students, understanding the difference between the three because in French it just doesn't exist. Donc je vais y aller en français. On regarde trois temps de verbe aujourd'hui que mes élèves intermédiaires me demandent souvent parce que c'est pas quelque chose qu'on a en français. Donc on va y aller avec une explication anglophone et je vais passer ensuite en français. So let's look at this. The first thing you need to remember is that in English the focus is on time, whereas in French the focus is on the action. So let's have a look at the board and you'll see it really well here. So the simple past, I worked 35 hours last week. The action and the time finished. It's all done, okay? But the focus here is to remember that the time here is last week. So it's done. And if I compare with the French, this is similar to your passé composé. J'ai travaillé 35 heures la semaine passée. Let's look at the present perfect. The present perfect here, I have worked 35 hours so far. The key word here being so far. So the action is done. The time is past to present. So it's from the past until now. This is where it gets tricky for French people because this doesn't exist in French. In French, it's your passé composé. J'ai travaillé 35 heures jusqu'à maintenant. It doesn't matter whether it's so far in French. The action is done. We're in the past. Whereas in English, we have this capacity to use this structure to talk about an action where the time is past until now. And let's look at the twin. The twin here is the present perfect continuous. I call it a twin because they go together to a certain degree. I have been working since Monday. First thing we observe, it's a present perfect with a continuous form. So we have the to be plus the verb in ing and your verb to have. This formula makes us understand that since Monday, you have been doing this. So the action and the time are past to present. So they're ongoing. Okay? So those are the three verb tenses that I get questions all the time where people in French have difficulty understanding the English language. The best way to get through this is to practice, look at different exercises, and the keywords I would say are the most important. Line up those keywords since, so far, up to now, lately. These are keywords that help you understand better. Thank you so much. I'm going to go in French a little bit and then we'll be done. So here we can see, on a le simple past, que l'action est terminée, le temps et l'action est fini. Donc, c'est comme dire, j'ai travaillé 35 heures la semaine passée. Ensuite, on a notre present perfect, qui n'existe pas, il n'y a pas de comparable en français, mais qui existe en anglais, où l'action est faite, mais le temps est du passé jusqu'à maintenant. Donc, I have worked 35 hours so far. J'ai travaillé 35 heures jusqu'à maintenant. C'est là que ça bug un petit peu pour les francophones. Ensuite, on a sa jumelle, si on veut, que j'appelle I have been working since Monday. On a la structure continue ici avec le avoir, le être et le ing. Donc, ça continue du passé jusqu'à maintenant. Et ça se dit avec le since Monday et le ing. Donc, l'action et le temps est du passé jusqu'à maintenant. La meilleure façon de maîtriser ça, c'est de faire des exercices. Prenez des mots-clés, comme j'ai dit tantôt en anglais. Les mots-clés nous permettent de bien voir dans la phrase comment s'en servir. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. And I'll see you at the next question.